My name is Chris Guarnera, a drone instructor at Tuttle Institute of Technology with an extensive experience in 3D modeling and high-resolution inspections within the telecom industry. My company specializes in integrating drones, artificial intelligence software, and training programs into the roofing industry, enhancing the way that businesses operate. Today, I'm going to show you why drone inspections are not only a modern solution, but a cost-effective and safer alternative to traditional manual roof inspections. We'll dive into a detailed cost-benefit analysis to prove this point. We'll compare the time, money, and safety aspects of using drones versus traditional methods, discuss the technological benefit, and I'll provide insights into how drones can significantly enhance your business operations. Let's start by understanding the traditional methods before we dive into the modern approach offered by drones. Traditional roof inspections have been the industry standard for decades, but they come with their own set of challenges. Traditionally, a roof inspection involves a physical walkthrough by an inspector. This means climbing up on the roof to visually examine the materials, checking for signs of wear and tear, identifying any potential damage. It's a manual process that requires physical agility and a keen eye for detail. However, this method isn't without its challenges. First, there's the safety risk. Walking on a roof, especially one that's steep or damaged, can be hazardous. Falls from roofs account for a significant number of serious injuries and even fatalities in the construction industry each year. Another challenge is the time-consuming nature of manual inspections. Each inspection can take several hours depending on the size and complexity of the roof. This is time that could be spent on other aspects of the roofing business. Lastly, there's the issue of human error. Even the most experienced inspectors can miss the subtle signs of damage, especially in areas that are hard to reach. This can lead to incomplete reports and potential oversights, which may result in unexpected costs down the line for the homeowners. Speaking of costs, let's talk numbers. Traditional roof inspections are not just risky, they're also costly. The labor-intensive nature of a manual inspection means you're paying for hours of a skilled worker's time, and if a follow-up visit is required, that's an additional cost. Moreover, there's the indirect cost of potential liability if an inspector gets injured on the job. It could lead to significant financial implications for your business, not to mention the potential for increased insurance premiums. With these points in mind, it's clear that traditional roof inspections, while familiar, are fraught with inefficiencies and risks. But what if there was a better way? What if we could minimize these risks and enhance efficiency? That's where drone technology really comes into play. Let's explore that in our next section. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors offer a new perspective on roof inspections. Let's dive into how this technology works and why it's becoming increasingly popular. Drone inspections involve using unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, to capture detailed images and videos of a roof. These drones are equipped with various technologies, including high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, and sometimes even LiDAR sensors. The drone flies over the roof, systematically capturing the data that gives us a comprehensive view of the roof's condition, something that's hard to achieve with the naked eye from a rooftop. The technology behind these drones is quite sophisticated. For instance, the cameras on our drones can capture images in stunning detail. This allows us to see cracks, leaks, and other damage with incredible clarity. If you're curious on just how detailed, I encourage you to check out our live demonstration video where I showcase the extreme high resolution that our drones can produce. This level of detail is crucial when assessing a roof's condition and planning repairs. Adopting drone technology for roof inspections does require an initial investment. You'll need to purchase the drone, possibly pay for training to operate it safely and effectively, and perhaps invest in software to process the data collected. However, when compared with the ongoing costs of traditional inspections, like labor, liability insurance, and the potential for missed damage, the initial setup cost of the drones is often justified by the long-term savings and increase safety. Drone inspections not only minimize the physical risks associated with traditional methods, but also offer a more detailed and efficient approach to roof inspections. But how do these two methods stack up in terms of time, money, and safety? Let's break down the cost-benefit analysis of drone inspections versus traditional methods in the next section. First, let's talk about time efficiency. Traditional roof inspections can be time-consuming, often requiring several hours to complete just one roof. This includes setup time, the actual inspection, and any additional time for rechecks due to missed or unclear areas. In contrast, a drone can cover the same roof in a fraction of the time, often within just a few minutes. The quick deployment and rapid data collection significantly cuts down on the inspection duration. Moreover, drones can easily revisit any area of the roof without requiring additional physical setup, making them ideal for thorough and efficient inspections. Now, when we talk about financial costs, traditional method not only consumes more time, but also involves a higher labor cost. You need to pay for an experienced professional who is capable of safely conducting rooftop inspections. Additionally, there's the wear and tear on safety equipment and the potential for work-related injuries, which could increase your insurance premiums. With drones, after the initial investment in equipment and training, the ongoing costs are considerably lower. Drones require minimal manpower to operate and maintain. They also reduce the need for costly safety equipment and decrease the liability risk associated with workers climbing on the roofs, potentially lowering insurance costs over time. Let's also consider safety, arguably the most significant advantage of a drone inspection. Traditional methods expose inspectors to high risk, including falls, which are among the leading cause of serious workplace injuries in the roofing industry. Drones eliminate the need for human presence on the roof, thereby drastically reducing the risk of fall-related injuries. This not only ensures the safety of the workforce, but also mitigates the legal and financial ramifications associated with workplace accidents. Having discussed the core advantages of drones in terms of time, cost, and safety, now let's look at some of the additional benefits that drone technology brings to roof inspections. These benefits not only enhance the roof inspection process, but also add value to your roofing business in very unique ways. Firstly, drones provide a level of detail and accuracy that is difficult to achieve with a traditional roof inspection. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sometimes even thermal imaging, drones can detect minor cracks and heat leaks that may be invisible to the naked eye from a rooftop. This enhanced capability allows for early detection of potential issues, preventing larger problems and more expensive repairs down the line. Moreover, the data collected by drones is not only more accurate, but also more accessible. Once captured, images and videos are stored digitally, making them easy to share and analyze. This is particularly useful when dealing with insurance claims, where detailed evidence can be crucial. The digital nature of the data also allows for easy integration into existing systems, improving your business's overall data management and record keeping. Speaking of insurance, the precise data captured by drones can significantly impact the success rate of insurance claims. Detailed and undeniable evidence of damage helps in quickly settling claims favorably. This accuracy reduces disputes and speeds up the claims process, ultimately benefiting both the homeowner and the roofing business. Additionally, regular drone inspections can be used to document the roof's condition over time, providing a valuable record that can influence insurance assessments and policy terms. Drones not only simplify roof inspection, but they also bring a new depth of technical and operational enhancements to your business. But how do you implement this technology effectively within your existing operation? As we've seen, drones offer a plethora of benefits that can transform the way roofing inspections are conducted. But knowing the advantages is just the beginning. The real challenge and opportunity lies in effectively integrating this technology into your existing business operations. Let's dive in on how you can implement drone technology smoothly and efficiently. First and foremost, proper training is crucial. Operating a drone requires specific skills, especially when using it for something as critical as roof inspections. Start by ensuring that your team receives comprehensive training, not only how to fly the drones, but also how to interpret the data that they collect. This might involve partnering with a certified drone instruction program or bringing in experts for in-house training sessions. Additionally, you'll want to establish standard operating procedures, also known as SOPs, for your drone operations. These should include everything from flight paths and data management to safety protocols and emergency procedures. Having well-documented SOPs ensures consistency in your drone operations and enhances the reliability of your data. Once your team is trained and your SOPs are in place, it's time to think about scaling. Start small with a pilot program in a controlled environment to iron out any kinks. As you gain confidence and streamline your operations, you can gradually expand the use of drones across more of your projects. It's also important to keep ahead of technological advancements in drone and imaging technologies. Upgrading your equipment as needed can help you maintain a competitive edge and ensure that you're always using the best tools available for your inspections. Implementing drone tech is not just about improving the efficiency of your inspections. It's about enhancing your entire business model. Over time, the data collected by drones can provide insights into the patterns and common issues, enabling predictive maintenance and a more strategic planning. This proactive approach can significantly reduce long-term costs and improve your customer satisfaction. Furthermore, the improved accuracy and reliability of drone inspections can strengthen your business's reputation. This credibility can lead to more business opportunities, from insurance collaborations to preferred provider status with clients who value technological sophistication in their service providers. As we've seen throughout this video, drones offer a substantial improvement over traditional methods in terms of cost, efficiency, and safety. The integration of drone technology in roofing inspections is not just about keeping up with trends. It's about actively enhancing the capabilities of your business, reducing risk, and ultimately saving money and time. If you're interested in learning more about how you can integrate drones and other cutting-edge software into your roofing business, make sure to join our free school page. The links are in the description below. There, we offer comprehensive training and insights to help you transition smoothly and effectively. And if you really want to see the level of detail that you can get with the right drone, make sure to check out this video.